Hey, what's up guys? I hope you guys are doing awesome. So I have a non-start issue here with this Chevy, and definitely after diagnosis there is no spark. Why there is no spark? There is a new coil pack, so this is not the issue for sure. The guy replaced it. So after diagnosis I found there is the problem with what is called the crankshaft sensor. And there is no videos online, and there is two videos. There is people are complaining actually this is a bitch and stuff like that, and this is hard. So I want to show you actually how quick it is to do this, really quick, and you don't have to go underneath the fucking car. How does that sounds like? Okay, so the first thing guys is removing the starter, right? You don't have to remove this cap, but the starter is literally down there. All right, the starter is right through this hole. You can see it, you can touch it from here. You can throw your hand and touch it and stuff. There is two bolts only you can do that, and do them from the top without removing the harnesses in the starter. If you see here, that's my starter, right? That's the starter. There is a bolt here on the top and there is a bolt on the bottom, and I didn't disconnect the harnesses or anything like that. Okay, so you get 13mm bolt on the top. Usually I remove the bottom, start with the hardest one. There is one bolt within a bolt. So once you remove this nut, the first one, there is holding the negative cable. All right, you disconnect this with 13mm, and then you get a deep socket, and you disconnect this guy. It's gonna go straight into it like that. You disconnect it, and you can actually, once you unlock them, you can use your hand to open them. So that's one thing, right? And then you go to the top bolt, and the starter will get stuck there, and it's because there is the harness here. You see this harness is zip tied right to this bracket, so I broke it. I'm gonna use another one. So, and once you unlock that, you take the starter off, and then you go straight up. Underneath the starter there is the sensor that people are actually calling it a bitch. I'm gonna try to show you guys what it is. All right, you see it, the white sensor. So that's the white sensor. You get an 8mm straight there, and then you unbolt it. Once you unbolt it with your hand, you unbolt it, sorry, with you crack it open, and then you use your hand, and then you snake it out, disconnect it, put a new one, and put the starter back on. And so just to quickly want to share that with you, because there's a lot of people are complaining it's so hard. Oh my god, and they're mechanics actually too. Come on man, you guys have a great day.